In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add breadcrumbs in Elementor. Breadcrumbs are those small navigation links, usually near the top of a page, that show visitors where they are on your site, like home, blog, and then the specific post. They help with user experience and can even be useful for SEO. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to add and customize breadcrumbs using Elementor, step by step. First, open any page with the Elementor editor. You can do this from your WordPress dashboard by going to your pages, hovering over the one you want to edit, and choosing the option to edit with Elementor. Give it a moment to load, and you'll see your page preview in the main area with the Elementor panel on the left. Once you're inside the editor, look over to that left panel where all the widgets are listed. This is where you can search for the breadcrumbs widget. If you don't see it immediately, use the search bar at the top of the panel and type breadcrumbs. When you find the widget, drag and drop it into the section of your page where you want the breadcrumb navigation to appear, usually near the top, above your main heading. As soon as you place the widget, you'll see the breadcrumb trail appear on your page preview. At the same time, the widget settings will show up in the left panel. You'll start on the Content tab. Here, you can edit the label for the home link, so you can change the word home if you prefer something else. You can also enable or disable a prefix, which is a small label that appears before the breadcrumb, like "you are here." If you enable the prefix, you can choose the prefix type. You can use an icon, which you can select from the icon library, or use text and type in your own label. For the separator, choose whether you want it to be text like a/ or greater than symbol, or an icon, and then select or type the separator you like. Next, switch to the Style tab. Here you'll see different styling options for the overall breadcrumb style, the separator, and the prefix. This is where you can adjust things like colors, typography, spacing, and alignment, so the breadcrumbs match your site's design. Then, move over to the Advanced tab. This tab contains more detailed options for layout, motion effects, transformations, background, border, mask, responsive settings, attributes, and custom CSS. Use these settings if you need more precise control. For example, adding margin or padding, hiding breadcrumbs on certain devices, or applying custom code. Once you're happy with how everything looks and behaves, don't forget to save your work. Go to the top right corner of the editor and click Update if you're editing an existing page, or Publish if this is a new page. After that, your breadcrumbs should be live on your site and ready for visitors to use.